Question 3 says, Mr. Johnson sees some candy and takes off from rest, accelerating at a rate of 2.00 meters per second. If the candy is 16.0 meters away, how fast will he be going when he snatches it away from the little child? So here we go. We got Mr. Johnson. Right here. That's me. And we have him chasing candy from the little child. Right there. There's the candy. And we know that this distance is going to be equal to 16.0 meters. And we know that my acceleration is going to be equal to 2.00 meters per second. And it says that it's going from rest, so my initial velocity is going to be equal to 0 as well. Now, my question's asking me to determine how fast I will be going. Notice how it has nothing about time, and so I need my time-independent equation. Before I do that, though, the first thing I need to do is make sure I make my graphs, my position time graph, and my velocity time graph. My velocity time graph, I'm starting at rest, I'm speeding up with a constant acceleration, so that makes it go straight like that, which we all should know by now makes our curve that looks like that. Because we need to figure out our given, we have them right there, but just to be clear, we know my acceleration is equal to 2.00 meters per second. I know my initial velocity is equal to 0 meters per second. And I know my delta x is going to be equal to 16.0 meters. I am trying to find my I'm trying to find how fast I'm going, so that's going to be Vf. And I know that my time-independent equation that I can use is Vf squared equal to Vi squared plus 2a delta x. I can simply plug all the values into this equation and solve, because I know everything else already. So my initial velocity is 0. My acceleration is 2. And my displacement is 16.0. So this is just a matter of solving for Vf squared. So I put this in my calculator. 0 squared equals 0. So it's really just going to be 2 times 16, which is going to be equal to 64. That, remember, however, is the square of my final velocity. I want my final velocity, so I need to square root both values. And you can get a calculator to do that, or you probably know by in your head that the square root of 64 is equal to 8. I need 3 sig figs, so my final answer is 8.00 meters per second.